Welcome to the episode of Your Girl is Turning 25. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Ooh. Like, nobody can tell me anything. Nobody can tell me anything. This is going to be a talk through video because there's so many things that God has done for me. Like, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendu Isaac. This is my birthday edition video. I'm going to first of all start by cleansing my face because I've been out and about today. It's a watermelon cleansing wipe from Sephora, and I'm just going to clean my face thoroughly. I'm going to go ahead and tone my face. Just bring back moisture to my face. I've been using castor oil as my serum because one, I ran out of my serum and I was like, yo, you ain't got no money, you broke girl. So I was like, what do I have that I can use? And I tried castor oil. Obviously, after doing very minimal research, you should do better than I did. But it's like, I know this is good for like dryness because my skin gets like really dry in like fall and winter, and before you know it, my skin starts breaking and it's just nasty. But this has really been calming. I'm using this moisturizer that I got as a sample from Sephora because I just got something wrong, not just got some things from Sephora, and it is kale and spinach green tea plus hyaluronic acid moisturizer from Youth to the People. This is actually my first time I'm trying it, so just going to make sure my skin, oh, it's really light but yet packed with moisture. You feel me? This might be a long video, bear with me. Like I said, birthday edition. 25 years is not akara, it's not beans, it's not moi moi, okay? It's a big deal. So you better sit back and enjoy it. Enjoy the show. I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, the collab with Jackie Aina. I've been using the sample that I got from Sephora and I decided like, okay, I like this foundation, let me buy it. So basically almost all the products I'm going to be using will be new. So this is a sample that I got from Sephora, so I can't even show you what I can show you. So sample is the Becca Afterlight Primer, and I like it because, you know, it brings glow to your face. Oh, use it as a primer. Some people at work are like, oh my god, you don't even look like you're my age. I'm like, how old are you? 19. I'm like, sis, you're lying, but I like it. I'm using the Melanie Mills Hollywood Clean Body Radiance. See, fine girl. I've not even started. I've not even started. Oh my little Egovin. Hi! Look at. So I just they shine. Mama lover. Oh! I'm just going to drip and blend till I am satisfied. To like, you know, spritz my brush and then blend my foundation. Like, I don't have the scientific way of explaining it, but it's good. So because this is a birthday look, and let me tell you, I'm gonna be extra in this video because why not? I am 25. Okay, I'll be 25 in 2 days. Girl. God has been so faithful. You don't even understand. You do not understand where I have been and where I am right now. It is only by the grace of God. Okay, I'm going to use a beauty blender body blender and just, I don't know, I'm doing that, and just tap the rest. So while I was sitting here feeling like I can share, I wanted to say 25 things I've learned in my 25 years, but I don't know that I can finish that list because I didn't prepare like that. So I'm just going to be spewing some things. If it's up to 25, it's 5, you know, things that I've learned. I think the most important thing for me is just the importance of having a relationship with your creator, like with God. Let me tell you, it just changes everything. It changes everything. Like your life is more ordered. Like I used to be someone that was plagued with indecision and like confusion. But when you start getting closer to God and just let God like order your life and order your steps, everything, all you have to do is, if you're plagued with indecision, you just go to Him and be like, God, you know my life, you know why you created me, what should I do, you know? And like it just takes, I mean, you still have to, like when He says this is what you should do, you still have to obey. But like it just takes that whole, oh my God, what do I do, am I gonna make a mistake, you know, like it just takes all that anxiety out of the equation. And you just know, like, if God says I should do this, if I obey, like I know it's gonna be fine. I'm using my Colourpop No Filter concealer. That'll be number 1. Number 2, self-discovery. And like I can't say for sure like I know myself, or like I know every aspect of my life, but it's also very important to just keep learning about yourself, how you do, or like how different situations, like what is good for you. For example, I knew from a very early age that overnight reading wasn't for me. Like my classmates would think I'm unserious, but like if I just sleep well, wake up at night, wake up during the day and read, then it'll be fine, you know. So like that's like a very basic example, but yet so key, because you don't want to like follow the crowd to do what they're doing because that's what it looks like is working for everybody. You want to do what works for you, whether you're in school, whether it's career wise, whatever it might be. Like learn yourself. How do you work? Like what works for you? What situations make you productive? You know, stuff like that. Learn is very important. I'll be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Duh. Yeah, so another thing is also just being grateful and being thankful. Like just realizing that you don't have the biggest problem in the world. Not to say that your problem is not as important, but just be thankful for wherever you are. So I'm going to contour with this Fenty Beauty. This brow gel tint from Colourpop. You know, work on your relationships. Like, so I'm not talking like only boyfriend, girlfriend, but like every relationship, whether you're friends, and this is something I'm still working on, to be honest. But like, whether you're friends or your siblings, they all have a way that they like to show their love and receive love. And it's important to know that, so that people don't feel like they're doing their all and you're not doing anything, you know. Just make time for people. Then go after your dreams. I remember last year, oh my god, so last year, January, my parents' anniversary rolled around and someone said, oh, happy 24 years anniversary, and I was like, because the same year that my parents got married, like 9 months after they gave birth to me, it just struck me. I was just like, yeah, I'm going to be 24 this year. And I just started feeling like, oh my god, what have I done with my life? I just started feeling like I hadn't, like, yes, I was still in my master's, like doing my master's and stuff, but I just started feeling like I hadn't done anything with my life. I had all these dreams and aspirations and stuff, but I don't think that I had actually either done any or like started the process of starting something, you know. And I just started feeling like what have I done, you know, and stuff. And it wasn't until I got to that point where I was just like, nah, I need to like actually do stuff, that I started feeling better. And then I decided that year, like, start a YouTube channel and all that. Whatever it is, whatever passion that you have, you need to start working on it. Don't wait for like, oh, when I'm certain, like when I'm this year, or like when I'm this age, then I'll start, or like when this happens or when that happens. Don't give excuses. Go after your dreams. And I pray that you have like people who support you, but like, even if you don't have people who support you, man, still go after it. Because at the end of the day, if you don't, one, you'll be unhappy. Two, there's a reason why God put that desire in you, and you are killing it. You're killing it. So think about that. Listen to your parents. And like, it could be your like biological parents, it could be just older people that you know and you trust, and you know that they love you and they won't lead you astray. Listen to them, because you know, in this age, we're always feeling like, oh my god, you guys are extinct, like, no, I don't want your advice and stuff. But like, if you listen to them, there are things that you can learn, because chances are whatever you're going through now, they have gone through it. So really, it's in your best interest to figure out what are the winning ways, what are the strategies. So listen, take advice from people. Take advice. That is all I'm trying to say. Take advice from people, especially people that have been through what you're going through. Like, it just saves you so much time when you listen to people's advice, you know. I'm going to use the Perception palette by Shayla and Colourpop. This palette, this is my first time I'm using it. It is gorgeous. I have no idea what is going to be on my face, but I do know I'm going to slay. Can I hear an amen? Amen. Thank you. Okay, so I'm starting with, and I actually love, I think this is my first eyeshadow palette that has a mirror. Oh my god, like, it makes so much sense. Like, I can see all the madness that is on my face right now, and I'm just like, Wendu, why do you look like a scarecrow? But you know what, you always have to trust the process. So I'm going to start with Played Out, which is this beautiful dark. Actually I'm going to start with Thick, because I'm thick. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with Played Out, the darker one, this guy here. Ooh, this shade is calling my name. It's calling me. It's just calling me, you know? Ooh, yes, that's like a really dark brown. I'm going to use Revenge to blend everything out. So, self-development is also key. Try to improve yourself. Whatever field that you are in, learn more. Don't be stuck in old knowledge. Actually, it's like a dark burgundy. I'm not good with colors like that, but it's dark and shimmery. So let us do that. Ooh, I like it. Is this a birthday look or not? Like, what were you saying? What were you saying out there when your mouth was running? Also, just mind your business in life. Eh? You be there following another person's business? The person is making moves. Just focus on your life, man. You know? Stop doing, stop gossiping too much. Let's try and slay. It's looking good. Yes! I'm so glad I chose that. Oh my god. Going now with my mascara. Why do I call it mascara? Mascara. More like it. Using this Pose highlighter. Look. Use Ooh by Shayla. And then use this dripping gloss. It's also Shayla Colourpop, but this is from her birthday collection. Oh, I like the lip gloss. So soft. So I went ahead and fixed my lashes, but this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I might do a review of the products later, but like I just really wanted to shoot a video for my birthday, 25 years. Ooh, thank you Lord. I'm so grateful to God. Like, you guys, it's been real with him, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching. You know, feel free to send your gifts. Like if you really want to send gifts, like says I am accepting gifts till the end of the year. It's not too late. Thank you.